Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you want to control who shows up first on your Facebook feed, in this video I will show you how to add or remove people and pages from your favorites list on Facebook so you never miss their posts. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your Android or iPhone. Now tap the menu icon at the top right. Scroll down and find this option called Settings and Privacy and tap Settings. Scroll down to the Preferences section and tap Content Preferences. Now tap on Favorites. And here you will see a list of suggested friends and pages. Tap Add next to any person or page you want to prioritize in your feed. You can add up to 30 favorites. To remove someone, go to your current favorites list. Tap three dots icon next to their name and tap Remove from Favorites. Once added to the favorites list, their posts will appear higher in your feed and you will see a star icon next to their name. And that's how you manage your favorites list on Facebook. Perfect for keeping up with your favorite friends, family, or creators. If this video helped, like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.